Hey everyone, welcome to Dream Cars. Today we bring you a masterpiece of luxury and performance. The Mercedes-Maybach SL. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of elegance, power and cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the breathtaking exterior. The Mercedes-Maybach SL is a true head-turner with its iconic Maybach grille, sleek aerodynamic body and 21-inch alloy wheels. The signature monogram soft top adds a touch of exclusivity while the chrome accents give it a bold, luxurious presence on the road. This car is not just about looks, it's about making a statement. Step inside and you'll find yourself surrounded by a pure luxury. The SL 680 monogram series comes in two stunning interior themes: red ambience and white ambience. The cabin features crystal white Napa leather, bespoke floral stitching and an advanced air scarf system to keep you warm during open-top drives. Every inch of the interior is crafted to deliver a first-class experience. Now let's talk about performance, because this beauty is a beast under the hood. The Mercedes-Maybach SL is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivering a staggering 577 horsepower. Goes from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds with a 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive. This car offers both blistering speed and exceptional handling. It's not just a cruiser, it's a powerhouse. When it comes to technology, the Maybach SL doesn't hold back. It's equipped with the M-Box infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital cockpit and the 11.9-inch central display with voice control, augmented reality navigation and a 360-degree camera. Every journey becomes smarter and more intuitive. It's a perfect blend of luxury and next-level innovation. Comfort is where Maybach truly excels. You get heated and ventilated massage seats, ambient lighting with 64 color options and a Burmester or 3D surround sound system. The Maybach logo is elegantly placed throughout. The cabin adding an extra touch of exclusivity. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, every ride is designed to be an indulgent experience. Of course, such luxury comes in a price. The Mercedes-Maybach SL starts at approximately $200,000 or $500 US, competing with brands like Ferrari and Bentley. This car is for those who accept nothing but the best. If you want to own a piece of automotive luxury, the Maybach SL is a dream come true. So what makes the Mercedes-Maybach SL stand out? It's the perfect combination of heritage and innovation, fusing the elegance of Maybach with the dynamic power of the SL series. If you're looking for a car that delivers both performance and prestige, this is the ultimate choice. That's a wrap on the Mercedes-Maybach SL, a true icon of luxury and performance. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. Dream Cars for more exciting car reviews. Which feature impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more amazing. Thanks for watching.